we're here today at Lex Resort to try out their very new restaurant, which is called Lex Cuisine, and we'll be celebrating the 5th birthday of my son, Kiddy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kiddy boy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Thank you. So for the feedback, we paid around 1,700 for the food, and all of the food we ordered tasted great. So 5/5 for everything. The beef with broccoli, the pochero, the fettuccine carbonara. We also ordered their cucumber pitcher, their garlic rice platter, I mean. And unsa pa to? Mura to, no? And their honey glazed chicken. All good for sharing, and kami tanan gilamian, especially na kumbanan sa Kid Rock. So thank you so much for serving us great meals tonight. Lex Cuisine. Check out their page in Facebook, Lex Cuisine. I'll be tagging them in this video. And once again, if you want to visit them, they're in Bulasa, Argao. And if you want further details, you can PM them, send them a direct message, send them inquiries through their Facebook page. Thank you so much once again for the service, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Lovies. Bye!
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.